advisory desk. After the yesterday's bounce, market has again seen a sell-off today, and it is down. Sensex and Nifty are down more than 1% at this point in time. Even the mid cap and the small cap index are down in the range of 0.8 and 0.6% respectively. What we are seeing, the banking index is the biggest loser in today's trade, and BankX is down 1.4% at this point in time. What we are seeing, apart from CanBank, all the major PSU and public sector banks are in red. We are seeing heavy selling in PSU banks like State Bank, PNB, Bank of Baroda, which are down in the range of 2% at this point in time. Even the selective private sector banks like Axis, ICICI Bank are down to the tune of 1% at this point in time. Even Autopac is in selling mode today, and we are seeing selling interest in counters like Bajaj, M&M, MRF, Tata Motors at this point in time. However, we are seeing selective buying in counters like Cummins India and Hero MotoCorp. But all in all, this index is down 1% at this point in time. Consumer durable index is also witnessing selling pressure and is down 1% at this point in time. We are seeing selling pressure in counters like Symphony, Titan, Videocon Industry, leading to fall of this index. In terms of stock specific action, we are seeing AstraZeneca is up 20% at this point in time, after it's allowed to launch a diabetes drug called Forex-Go, which has a huge potential in India, as India is one of the largest diabetes patients in the world. Apart from that, we are also seeing buying in interest in select pharma counters like Glenmark. Novartis, Glenmark is gaining ground on after it is getting an US FDA approval for a drug on cirrhosis. Apart from that, we are also seeing selective buying in select counters like National Aluminium, Engineers India, Chennai Petroleum and ABG Shipyard, which are up in the range of 2 to 4% at this point in time. In terms of major sectorial, major contributors to Sensex at this point in time, HUL, Sun Pharma, Vedanta and GAIL is positively contributing to Sensex, while laggards in the Sensex are Tata Motors, SBI, Tata Steel, Reliance and M&M. Rupee is trading at 63.8825 versus dollar, a depreciation of 4.5% versus previous close. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful day ahead.